Ahoy mateys! One of my subscribers, one of my mateys, asked question. He has some problem with the loop. I will show you how to fix it. Let's take some random sample. Now if we play it,
Do it now. 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 Do it now.
the loop ends straight when the sample ends. And if you want to fully control your sample loop, I mean if you want it to play till the end of the bar, you should do this. First of all, open the step sequencer. It's over here. To get full control over your sample, just drag it into the
Do it now.
sequencer. Not in the playlist, but in the sequencer. And now just draw your rhythm. Click here, here, and as many times as you want. After this, choose a pattern and draw. Be a painter, be an artist. Now the playback will not stop at the end of the sample. It will play the full bar. Watch.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
You can get this result when you are in advanced mode. You see advanced looping. But in this case, this option should be bar. Not beat, not step, but bar.
Do it now.
If you set it beat,
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
it will repeat one beat. If you will step,
Do it now.
it will be repeated steply. Or you can go in a simple mode, loop step channels,
Do it now.
the same
Do
result.
it now.
Fair wind, mateys.